Yo,
Yeah.
yeah, magic shoes dust.
Yeah man, me have gold there man.
How much for it?
Yeah, 1,020, $10. Nah, try man.
John, man.
Yo, my general. Magic shoes are one dangerous.
You chat too much, man. Sell me something, man. You chat too much.
Ah.
So much.
But forget $10.
Hey, man. Chop. And give me my chain. Oh, what you want for?
It's good man, it's good.
Man, look up in there. $10 bill star.
Yo, watch out. Come take this to me there.
What?
Come take this game to me. Yeah, take it.
You trust seeing you?
Watch out my youth.
What?
Come take this.
Yeah, idiot, you think you can come cook me? No, I'm gonna trust you.
Come in, watch out. Come.
Yeah, I'll come. I'm not come. What?
Come before my youth.
What?
Come in, man.
I'm
Take
gonna
up things
trust
to
you
me there.
there.
Watch out, see it.
What?
Look no man.
Oh, order.
You?
Yeah, I'll come.
Me nah come to watch it now. Make sure.
Oh!
Hungry no man. Babes,
Hello.
what go on? You alright?
Yeah man, alright you?
Yeah, you know said, me dey hungry though.
Yeah man, at them time you alone you come when hungry and
Me the business what you want to
but
say.
it's alright.
You cook?
And yes, I cook our
Hmm? So what you cook?
some white rice, whole butter down, nice stew peas.
You know say me no hungry though. Me never that hungry, you know.
Yes, it's alright. Just make sure you're not come back out.
Me have some plastic rice over here. I'm just spot a black dog. Me talk to you later.
What you want, No, man. Hold on.
Introduce you guys to Jesus. But and they left the poor baby. Oh God. God bless the baby. Come, go inside. Come. Oh God. Don't cry.
One already. One already, half a tree. Yeah, one already. Yo, my general, I make a turn off right now. What did I eat that, man? Yo!
Magic shoes dust.